Om Shanti. Essence of Murli. 3rd September 2025. Sweet Baba says, Sweet children, the true guide has come to teach you the true pilgrimage. Purity is the main thing in your pilgrimage. Stay in remembrance and become pure. Question. What things should you, the children of the messenger, not argue about or debate, but just have one concern? Answer. Children of the messenger, give everyone this message: consider yourself to be a soul and remember the Father. With this fire of yoga, your sins will be absolved. Just have this one concern. There is no benefit to be had in getting involved in other things. You simply have to give everyone the Father's introduction through which they can become theists. When they understand who the Father, the Creator, is, it will become easy for them to understand about creation. Song is Our pilgrimage is unique. Essence for Dharana. First is become a true, Pure Brahman. Never have any thoughts in your mind of becoming impure, a Shudra. Create such a stage that your eyes are never attracted by anyone else. Second is remember everything that the Father explains to you. Finish the devilish habits that you have formed of performing sinful acts. Continue to make effort to attain the elevated destination of complete purity. Blessing for today. May you become a master almighty authority and find solutions to all reasons and so remain free from fear and worry. Details are: at present, together with temporary happiness, there are also the two things of worry and fear. Where there is worry, there cannot be peace of mind. Where there is fear, there cannot be peace. So, together with happiness, there are also the reasons for sorrow and peacelessness. However, you are Master Almighty Authority children who are filled with the treasure of all powers, the ones who find solutions to all the reasons, ones who are embodiments of solutions who find solutions to all problems, and so you are free from worry and fear. Any problem that comes in front of you comes to play with you and not to make you afraid. Slogan is make your attitude, vritti, elevated and your home and family, pravritti, will automatically become elevated. Om Shanti. Avyakt signal. Now ignite the fire of love and make your yoga volcanic. According to the time, as you Brahmins bring souls closer, you must also continue to serve the atmosphere to make it as powerful as fire. For this, you can have bhakti and deep discussions amongst yourselves, but you have to experience the volcanic form and also give others this experience. Remain busy in doing this service and all the trivial matters will be transformed.